smelling take away like $1,000,000 literally. So right now you're smelling like a princess, you're smelling all good. Right now your room is oozing good scent. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Joan. I do lifestyle, beauty, vlog content here. And if you like this type of content, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you 5 simple hygiene that you're going to be doing to improve your smell all day. Like you won't smell like sweat or body odor if you try this routine. And if you're a working class girly that you're always going out, if you go out and you come back, you still be smelling like a snack. Like literally, I'm going to be showing you a step. I know we're in the summertime and now everywhere is hot and crusty, so I don't want to be smelling that. So I'm going to be teaching you how to smell good all day, like throughout the whole day. You go out and you still be smelling nice. People be asking you, what's going on? How come you're smelling this nice? I'm going to be spilling out the secrets on how to smell good. So if you're interested in this, keep on watching this video. So the first step is for you to double cleanse your body and also have good body wash. So the body wash I use is this Joy Black soap. It has shea butter and aloe vera, which is good for your skin, and it's affordable. You can get from a nearby supermarket, and it's really good. It cleanses your body, moisturizes, repairs, and restores your skin. It gently exfoliates your dead skin, leaving your skin renewed and smoother. Like, this is holy grail. If you should try this out, I can open it for you guys. You can, and it's affordable. You can get from any supermarket. This is not a sponsored ad, but I love this soap. If you're Nigerian, it's good for our skin, black girlies. So yeah, I advise you to get this soap. Then the next thing you should have is a good sponge. This sponge is really good, like it's very strong. It exfoliates your skin so well. So yeah, you can get it from any nearby supermarket. So when I mean double cleanse, I mean you should scrub your body first time, then also scrub it again second time. Like, use your sponge. This does the trick. You don't need to use any scrub. If you have this sponge, it's very popular in Nigeria. You can get it anywhere in Nigeria. So yeah, if you use this sponge, it scrubs your body very well. All those your dead skin, everything will just literally remove, and your skin will be fresh for the next step. So once you're done showering, don't clean your body. We're going to be needing it for the next step because you need your body like 70% damp. So the next step is to go in with your mist. I'm going to be using this mist from Bath and Body Works Peak Chevron. It has the notes sparkling red pearly, jasmine petals, tea flowers, vanilla orchid, chiffon musk. So if you're a vanilla girly, I'll definitely recommend this. So once you're done, your body is like 70% dry. You just spray it around your body while it's damp. You just spray it. I don't spray it now, but you just spray it around your body. Once you're done spraying it, you allow it to dry, like absorb into your body very well. Then you go in with your lotion. I use this Nivea lotion. This is holy grail. Like, it's really good. It nourishes your skin. It has cocoa butter. I'm a Nigerian, so I'm dark skin, so cocoa butter is really good for my skin. So that's why I love this lotion. So once you're done, you just apply it to your body. You moisturize your skin. Then if you have an oil just to seal in that moisture, you can use any oil. I will advise for you to use Vaseline, but I currently don't have that now. I normally use my Vaseline oil. I just pour it on my body. It gives you that glow. Yes, you will love the glow. So once you're done, so now we're in step 3. Once you're done applying your lotion, then you still go in with your body mist again. Very necessary. You spray it against your body. When your body is dried up, you spray your body mist. It's going to settle into your body. So yeah, once you're done with that, then you go in with your deodorant, guys. This is very essential, especially if you're a girly. Yeah, I use this masculine one because I love the smell of this masculine one. It stays longer. This one has 72 hours, while the one of female has like 48 hours. So I love the smell of masculine perfume. So yeah, I would advise for you to use this deodorant. It's really good. Nivea, you're seeing your girl, come sponsor me. I use most of your products, and I'll definitely want to work with you guys. So this is me shouting out to Nivea for me to work with them and collaborate with you. So yeah, I love your products so much. So yes, after I'm done with my deodorant, I go in my perfumes. I'm going to be showing you that right now. So once you've applied your body mist and you apply your body mist before and after you're done bathing. Like, Right now, you're smelling like a princess. You're smelling all good. People are going to be asking you like, "What are you smelling like?" Like literally, right now, your room is oozing good scent. Literally. So yeah, we want to make that scent more. So yeah, we'll go in with my perfumes. That's the fourth step. So I use this goddess perfume from Big Guy by Omar. I've been using this perfume for a while now, and I love the scent. So if you can afford perfumes, you can also go for body oils. I have this YSL Libra Intense. Yes. If you can't get the bottle one, you can always go for the oil, body oil. Like it smells so good. It smells like the original, literally. Just put it on your, so when you're spraying perfume, you put it around your wrist, behind your ears, your elbow, behind your legs, and just around your body, literally. And I also use this marshmallow pumpkin. It's also good. As you can see, it's almost done. I love the smell so much. So yeah, if you can't afford perfumes, you can always go for this body oils. Nobody's gonna know, like literally. If you don't have perfume, I if you can afford perfumes, you can always go for this one. So this one is more affordable. I think I got it for about 2,000 naira. Yeah, so definitely try this out. So I'm going to give you guys a hack. When you're using perfumes, use perfumes that go well with your scent, with your body mist. So for example, now if you're using Valentino Bonnie Moran, if you're using Valentino Bonnie Roman, a perfume, also use a body lotion that goes well with it. So yeah, when you pass people, people will be like, "What smell are you smelling?" Like I like when they are confused of the smell you smell. Like I mix like two different scents, two different perfumes to get a scent that people don't really know. So yeah, if you want to be mysterious and smell good, mix your perfumes. Don't just use one perfume. Use like two, three, four. Yeah, that's the best combo. Four, you're going to get a good smell. So when you do this routine, when you spray perfume, not like you spraying perfume just on your body will literally be oozing this perfume like it sinks. You know how when you pass someone and you're just smelling the person, like that's how literally you're going to be smelling. You smelling take away like $1,000,000 literally. So yeah, these are the tips and advice for you to do it. So these are five simple steps you can do in 10 minutes. I guarantee you're going to smell amazing. Like you literally pass people and people will be asking you, what are you smelling like? And literally, if you go out from morning till evening, you'll be smelling good. Even if you sweat, your sweat won't be smelling bad. You'll be smelling like nice because you've done your due diligence, you've done your double cleansing, you sprayed your body mist, you sprayed your perfume, you're smelling really good, you've done your lotion, you've applied your deodorant. So yes, you'll be smelling really good. So yeah, if you have thank you guys for watching this video. If you have more tips in the leave it in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you guys what tips you use to smell good and look good throughout the day. So yeah, if you got to the end of this part of this video, leave a heart emoji, leave a pink emoji, leave a pink emoji love. Yeah, so I know you're a real one. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.